Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am opening up a Happy Mail from Millie Daldane. And she changed her channel recently. It was, and you probably know her as Mirasuru, and she did that recently. If you don't watch her channel, Millie has all kinds of dolls. She does box openings, thrifting. She joins in a lot of the challenges and collabs. It's a really fun channel, and you should go by and subscribe to Millie. She sent this and said she didn't know if they had a card in it or not, that there wasn't much room, but that, I can't get over all the people saying this because I do nothing, appreciates what I do for YouTube. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, a Lottie doll. This feels like there is something else in here. Let's pull this out. Here it is. Hi, Marna. Thanks for all you do for the doll community. I know you love red-headed dolls, me too, and hope you'll like this one from an Irish doll company. Well, how cool is that? Happy Christmas to you and Darren from Millie Mason. Oh, God, that is so cool. I do not have a Lottie doll. Let's open her up. A red-headed doll. Yes, I do love a red-headed doll. I love red hair. From an Ireland company. That's really cool, too. We need to bring her back out in March for sure. Well, I'm trying to open this box very nicely. Why don't you give me a minute? Oh, she is adorable. And what I like, too, is it talks about the planet and recycling and pre-cycling. I love that. She has a little bag. It is a little tote bag, like you would take shopping rather than using a plastic bag. I like that. She is lovely. I'm loving those green eyes. Oh, and this red hair. It's a brassy red. I really like that. She has on the cutest little outfits, and again, save the planet. I can't thank you enough for this doll, and I promise you, if you don't see her before, you will see her in March. She's going to need a little St. Patrick's Day outfit. She's adorable. Thank you so much, Millie. Go visit Millie's channel and see what kind of dolls she has. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Merry Christmas. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.